Here's a 1969 Chevrolet Camaro. This is, I would say, kind of a sort of an RS SS tribute with the headlight doors on there and the SS badging up on the grille, the 427 that's been put in it. So she's got a nice little rumble to it, and a nice driving car. I'd say a very nice driver quality. As you can see, the paint's got a nice luster to it. Looks great with the white paint and the black deck stripes. The rally wheels, very correct looking for this era. Also has a hound's tooth interior. We'll get a little closer look at that here later. Like I said, 427's been put underneath the hood. It does have power steering, power brakes. So it does have some of the amenities too. Also has the 4-speed manual transmission in it. And then it has a gauge cluster that's in front of that, like you would have seen with the SS trim package. Check out the seats in here. Very, very nice shape. That hound's tooth interior. Headliner also in nice shape. Again, the paint has a nice luster to it. There's not a bunch of nicks or dings or scratches. I'm sure you might find one here or there, but overall, very, very solid, clean car. You also see how straight it is. Nice looking wing on the back, bright work in the car, good shape. If you'd like to see the still pictures, check out the underside, check out the interior engine bay, trunk, what have you. The still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Take a look at the driver's side here. Again, you can see how straight it is. Not wavy or full of a bunch of dings. Come around and check out this interior. See, the door cards are in nice shape. Carpeting's in nice shape. There's a hound's tooth interior, vinyl and cloth combination. Nice looking dash. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Hopefully it's not too cold. Here it's got a nice little rumble. Check out the gauge cluster there. Here's all the gauges work. Temp gauge would have to come up. Once it's warmed up, wood grain on the dash. Sorry, I'm getting a little glare on the camera there. See if I can get it warm up and idle a little bit here. 427's a little cold-blooded. Slip around back so you can hear it. See how nicely the door closes. Nice little rumble. Feel free to give us a call if you have any questions on this. We can be reached at 507-386-1726. Or again, check out the still pictures, engine bay, trunk, interior, underside of the car. UniqueClassicCars.com. 1969 Chevrolet Camaro. Done up as kind of an RS SS tribute.